Hi, I'm Montana with Crockd. If you are looking for a team building event, either virtual, in person, or a hybrid of the two, let me show you how it works to do a Crockd craft workshop. We have a bunch of options that are all fun, mindful, and totally inclusive. Let's take a look. Thinking about a pottery workshop? Our Crockd pottery kits each come with 2 separate bags of clay, which can be fired or air dried, so no trip to the kiln is required. Wooden pottery tools, clay breakers, and an instruction booklet with beginner-friendly instructions for 8 different pieces. The packaging with all Crockd products is totally eco-friendly, gender-neutral, and really thoughtfully designed. The clay breakers are optional conversation starters perfect for teams looking to connect and get to know each other better. Feel free to use the clay breakers, come up with your own, or opt in for a live workshop host who can help your team navigate the convo. With Crockd Workshops, you can always choose between guiding your own workshop or doing a 60 to 90 minute live workshop with one of our workshop hosts. Our event coordinator will always make sure that the workshop host is a perfect fit for your team culture. Looking for a painting workshop? Let's take a look at some options for a fun and relaxing painting session with your team. Check out Crockd's Paint and Pot Kits. Each kit comes with step-by-step instructions, our complete acrylic paint set with paintbrushes, a cardboard paint palette, and 2 sustainably made pots ready for painting. The instruction booklets include multiple designs to choose from and tons of tips and tricks for beginner painters. Regardless of what craft you choose for your workshop, there's no need to worry about space. All the materials you need will fit comfortably on the common desk space, even with a laptop. And if you're worried about mess, you can grab one of our craft silicone mess mats. You can get a cutting board from your kitchen or simply lay down an old pillowcase or garbage bag on top of your surface. For a brand new, fun, and totally mess-free workshop, let's take a look at Crockd's Chunky Knit Kit. With the Chunky Knit Kit, teams can learn a whole new skill together in under an hour. This super plush chunky material is neutral, simple to use and learn, and it doesn't require any extra materials. Whether you're using our instruction booklet or a workshop host, we'll walk you through the whole process step by step. My favorite thing about Chunky is nothing is permanent. If you're happy with your piece, you can leave it be for as long as you'd like, but when you're ready to make something new, you can easily undo your creation and start again. When it comes to logistics, our event coordinator will walk you through the entire process, including shipping out all your kits, either to one location, individual addresses, or a combination of the two. Crockd is on a mission to get the world out of their heads and into their hands. If Crockd sounds like the right fit for your team, let us know, and we'll see you soon.